Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm very excited to share with you my next quarterly card subscription kit for June 2025. Many of you had requested a birthday themed card kit, and so that is what we are doing this month, and we are working with Carta Bella's gorgeous Secret Garden collection. You're going to get this 6x6 pad in your kit, which is just filled with all kinds of beautiful patterns, and you get 24 sheets. You're also going to get the 12x12 collection kit, which is 12 sheets of 12x12 double-sided designer papers. This is a beautiful weight with beautiful stripes, journal cards, florals, soft little patterned prints. This is going to be a really, really wonderful birthday collection. I have some surprises for you, so I'm excited to share that with you. Look at these pretty butterflies. Just very soft and pretty, but happy. It's like a really happy collection, and I think it's going to make up into beautiful cards. So you get all 12 of these sheets. Look at that, so pretty. Of course, you get the mixed journal cards with this wonderful floral on the back, these sweet little birds, little tiny print here, and a botanical with dots, and then the sticker sheet, which has a lot of really wonderful. You're also going to get, this is so cool, you're going to get the coordinating solids, which is 6 12x12 cardstock sheets that are perfectly color matched to the paper collection. So that's always nice. Like, we can use these for matting and for mechanisms and even for card bases. You're also going to get a printed sheet of birthday sentiments that I designed especially for you. And if you look in your digital account on Button Farm Club, you'll also have more of this, so you can print off all you want to print. So that's pretty exciting. You're going to get 15 sheets of 110-pound smooth cardstock. This is my favorite cardstock, and it just makes beautiful card bases. And then for the fun, we have a 6x12 acetate sheet. Now, what might we need that for? Well, maybe we're going to make some shaker cards. So I've got this beautiful sequin mix and these shiny beads. We're going to put these together and make our own custom shaker mix. You won't be able to buy this anywhere else. It is unique to this collection, and it's like a perfect color match. And then if you're going to have a shaker card, you've got to have something to cut shaker windows. So we have this darling die set. This has the birthday candles, layered balloons, little heart confetti, and then the string for the balloons. So we'll be able to cut windows in our designer paper and turn those papers into shaker elements. It's going to be so fun. I'm so excited about this die. Then we also have, look at these guys. Look at these adorable birthday cakes. I can't stand it. They're so cute. You're going to get 2 of those in your kit. You're going to get 10 of these pretty little floral pearl buttons. They are so sweet. And you know, I love buttons on a card. So these are perfect for this collection. They're just wonderful. So you're going to get 10 of those. You're going to get 10 yards of ivory burlap string. And you're also going to get the ephemera kit for this paper collection, which has all kinds of wonderful tags and frames and labels, and we're going to have so much fun with this. It's going to be a really wonderful paper collection. So also you get a printed, full color printed basic written guide that has the basic measurements and score lines and detail photographs for you that will help you when you're creating your kit. And you'll also have access to the video tutorials that you can watch anytime you want to. You can watch them as many times as you need to. You can, they'll always be available for you in your account. So this is our kit for June. I think it's going to be fabulous. And I'll be back in a few minutes to show you what we're making. So what are we making with this adorable collection? Well, I think you're going to be pleased. We have slimline shaker cards. Everything has a gift card pocket. I love these balloon dies. They really make the whole collection. Look at this little cake. Fabulous. Such a fun, I had so much fun putting these together for y'all. Then we have a couple of 7x5 top fold. This is also a shaker. Really cute. The candles are darling. And then this one has a little tiny shaker frame with the cake, which I love. And there's the inside. These also have little pockets. Then these are super fun. I've never done these before. These are called accordion gatefold cards. And look at that. They have a pop-up element. So that's really fun. And they fold flat, so they're easy to mail. So we're going to make a couple of those. So cute. And then this is a Z-fold pop-up box. So that's really fun. And you can see I colored some of my cupcakes, that was a blast. Look how cute this one is, really darling. And then a couple of 5x7 top folds. Always a great size. This one is so pretty. I love this one. Aren't these great? And then these are really fun. This is a triangular gatefold. It's got a belly band, and then this flap goes up and this flap goes out, and there's your little gift card pocket. Super fun, really fun. And this is a belated birthday card, so that's really neat. And then here's the other one. Also really cute. This one opens out and opens up. So you can change, I like that you can change the orientation of these cards. It makes it really fun. And these are so simple. You're going to love how easy these are to make. And then, because I love interactive cards, we've got these two waterfall. And the waterfall is on the front of the card. And I'm going to teach you a whole new way to make a waterfall that's super easy. Here's the inside. Here's the gift card pocket. Here's this one. Really adorable. And here's the gift card pocket with a nice 4x6 sentiment in it. And then I think that's 14 cards, which is amazing. And then we're going to do a couple of bonus projects. We're going to use my Kathy by Design shaker tag dies, and we're going to create this really pretty shaker tag. And there's a gift card pocket on the back. Super cute. And then we're going to make, this is a really fun one. This is a gatefold. And it opens like this, and then here's your pocket with your little sentiment here. And on the back, there's another pocket. So these are just really fun to make. Great. You'll have birthday cards for the whole year. You'll be set for the whole year. So you can order this at Button Farm Club. Everything is already in stock. If you're a member of my card kit, you don't need to order. It will automatically be charged and shipped to you. If you're not a member, you should join because you get a discount, you get special perks at Button Farm Club, and you're always guaranteed that you will get a kit. You can skip kits, you can cancel kits. It's just Laura has set up such a beautiful program for her subscription clubs. So anyway, I'll put the link to Button Farm Club below in the description box. And I thank you so much for joining me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Go make some cards. Bye.